DC, trying a new spot. Hopefully we catch something. See, Catfish Cartel. Force rods. That's the deal going on. See what we get, y'all. This is a little one.
It's a little one?
Yeah, they get like 50, 60 pounds.
What's that?
That's a blue catfish.
Oh.
First one on today. Take down, y'all. Take down. I say about 5, 6 pounds. Nice little blue. Maybe 4 or 5. Same piece of bait going back out. Y'all see it. Rattlesnake rig. Triple City Anglers. Go get y'all some. Big takedown. Big takedown. Big takedown. Number 3 on the bank, a little blue, probably about 4 pounds. Waiting for that takedown. Yeah, another little baby. Fish number 4 on the eel, takedown. Rattlesnakes. The same piece of bait, caught 3 fish so far with the rattlesnake rig. Sweet doggy rod. Everything at triplecityangler.com. Big takedown. Big takedown. Another one on the rattlesnake rig. This little fish just broke 80-pound leader line, so I don't know what's going on, but let's get a weight on him. Good one, y'all. He almost took my shit. It's a good one right there. Let's get a weight on him real quick. 1311, y'all. Number 8 on the bank in the storm. Another one, y'all. Got another one. We're gonna get a weight on it. $12.8, y'all. 12.8.